Hi, my name is Henry Fernandez. I'm a product development engineer in the Passive Exchange Group, and today we're going to be talking about the basics of PCM heat sinks. So PCM heat sinks are usually used for low duty cycle transient applications or for single use applications as well. So the biggest thing with PCM heat sinks is we can explain with this chart here, which is typically used for phase change materials. So on the y-axis we have the temperature, and on the x-axis we have the heat stored, or the energy. So for a typical phase change material, or for any material, you have the specific heat, which is how much heat is required to raise that material up 1 degree Celsius. So typically we'll start here. We're going to primarily be in the liquid or the solid phase to start, and then we have the specific heat in that phase itself. And then whenever you're changing the phase of the material, you have the latent heat, which is usually 1 or 2 orders of magnitude larger than the specific heat. So within the latent heat phase here, usually isn't really a temperature change, so that's where you're going to be able to store a lot of heat energy in that period of time. And then afterwards, once you're in that liquid phase, you go back to that standard specific heat. So for these applications, like I said, with single use or low duty transient, you're able to store a lot of energy in this period. So you can really vary that with the melting temperature of the PCM that you choose, and we have a lot of options for that. In ACT, we'll custom design the heat sink with fin geometry to be able to suit your application depending on the time or the amount of heat that is applied. And if you have any additional questions, please look at the link in the description or visit our website for more info on PCM heat sinks.